Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to enable bubble chat in your Roblox game. So the steps are pretty quick and they're very easy, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how to do it. So Roblox did take away the other setting, unfortunately. So usually you just go on configure game and you just check something out and then it would work, it would be fine. But Roblox did take that out, so I'm just gonna be showing you guys how to add bubble chat. So let's just get straight on to the video.
And I can't wait so we can break
I'm just gonna create a new game and whatever. Let's just do base plat. I'm just gonna create a game. So this method is actually very easy and it's also very quick, but it is more obviously complex than the other one. So let's just open Roblox Studio so then I can get in it. Okay, so we're in it, right? So this is very quick and easy, but first thing you want to do, you want to click play. You have to click play for it to work, because if you don't click play, it will not work. Okay guys, so we're in, right? So I'm just going to show you guys. It does not work right now. There is no bubble chat, okay? But I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. So what you want to do is you want to double click on chat. It's going to show on the side or maybe over here for you guys, wherever it does. And you're just want to go and click on client chat modules. You want to right click it and then click copy, or you can do Control C, but whatever. You want to copy this folder or file right here, and then now you can stop the game, because if you don't get in it, it won't work. But so what you want to do is you want to open up chat. Okay, so you want to open up chat. You're going to right click on it and then you click paste into. Okay, and then we have client chat modules. So now what you want to do, you want to double click that and scroll down and find chat settings. Okay, you guys have to go on chat settings. Double click that. Okay, so it's going to show up this coding script right here, but you want to go on 27, okay guys? And it's going to say module bubble chat enabled, and it's going to say stuff after the equal sign. But what you want to do is highlight this and delete it, because we don't need that. And now you just type in TRUE, type in true. There. You don't have to hit enter, you don't have to do anything, but there, true. Okay? So now what you want to do is you want to click X on that, and then you can click play and you can test it out. So this is the new updated version on how to do it. If there is a new version that's going to come out soon, I'll make a video on that too. But let me just show you. So hi, there, bubble chat's on. It's quick and easy, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learned how to do it. Please leave a like and subscribe if you're new, and comment down below what you guys want me to do next. Goodbye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.